Hi, my name is Michelle Hawks, and I researched being a school social worker. So, for my example organization, I used Chapin High School in El Paso, Texas, and I don't know anyone in this field, so I wasn't able to interview anybody. But I did learn from my research that in the working environment, you're typically at a school, so you're sometimes working between various schools. You can work at two at a time or more. And because it's during the daytime, um, with working at a school, you're typically going to be working between the hours of 8 to 5, and you can work anywhere from an elementary school to a university. The typical stressors of the job normally include being around difficult situations that children are faced with, so you need to be emotionally prepared to deal with that. And because you're normally working and performing by yourself, there isn't a lot of support and supervision from other from individuals that are available to other professionals. Also, you don't always have a set office, and your work supplies and training is sometimes limited. But there are benefits that come with the job. And even though I'm not aware of any monetary benefits that come with it. I didn't find any in my research, but there are benefits such as knowing that you're improving the lives of those you work with and you're helping children. Social workers often conduct one-on-one classroom type one-on-one sessions with children. They're often in a classroom setting, um, but to address problems they're to address problems that are relative to that specific school. These issues can include anything from substance abuse, school attendance, things that are going on at the home, teen pregnancy, social problems with the children, alcohol problems, and so on. You can also help with behavioral issues, and one of the main tasks is to help students function effectively in a school environment. You can also assist teachers and administrators in knowing how to deal with those children that are facing these challenging problems. And also by communicating their issues with the administrators so that they're aware of what the child is going through. You're also responsible for maintaining case files and keeping up-to-date reports on how the children are progressing. So for educational requirements to become a school social worker, you need a bachelor's degree, and it's recommended that general education and introductory social work courses should be taken during the first 2 years. During the last 2 years, that time should be devoted to upper division social work under the supervision of experienced social workers. And when trying to find a position in a healthcare or clinical work, you often need a master's degree. So the starting salary range is about $2,500, and the experienced is about $70,000, making the average around $45,000, and that's what you can expect to earn. For as far as other information that's involved with this career, you're responsible for communicating and providing referrals when needed. So making sure that your communication skills are up to date and you keep track of what the children you're working with needs. I got my information from the Careers in Family Science booklet from NCFR, as well as a website called education-portal.com. That's it, and thank you for watching.